Day 15, Introduction to Functions. Objective: by the end of this session, students will understand what functions are, why they are useful, how to define and call functions, and how to work with function parameters and arguments. 1. What are functions and why use them? Definition: a function is a block of reusable code designed to perform a specific task. Why use functions? Modularity: break down complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces. Reusability: write code once and reuse it multiple times. Maintainability: easier to update and debug code. Example: Python def greet, print hello world. 2. Defining and calling functions, 20 minutes. Defining functions, syntax: Python def function name, code to execute. Example: Python def greet, print hello world, greet. Calling the function, calling functions. Functions are executed when they are called using their name, followed by parentheses. Practice Simple Lab. Task: define a function called greetUser that prints a greeting message. Call the function to display the message. Nash 3. Function parameters and 20 minutes. Function parameters. Definition: variables listed inside the parentheses in the function definition. Example: Python def greet name, print fhello name. Function arguments. Definition: values passed to the function when it is called. Example: Python greet Alice. Output: hello Alice. Practice Simple Lab. Task: define a function add numbers that takes two parameters, a and b, and prints their sum. Call the function with different arguments. Practice more complicated lab. Task: define a function calculate area that takes the length and width of a rectangle as parameters and returns the area. Then define another function calculate perimeter that returns the perimeter of the rectangle. Call both functions and print the results. Example code: Python def calculate area length width return length, width def calculate perimeter length width return 2shu, length plus width, area equals calculate area 5 3, perimeter equals calculate perimeter 5 3. Print f area area perimeter perimeter.